Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. In last class we discussed our three parts of adverbs. Now today we discuss our remaining parts, and that is our first part is adverb of degree, means which one is left. Okay, adverb of degree. After that adverb of frequency, adverb of frequency. Next interrogative adverbs. Okay, so today we discuss these three parts: interrogative, adverbs. So these all are very important parts. These three parts also very important parts. Clear? Now next, so first of all we discuss our fourth part is, that is our adverb of degree. Adverb of degree. Now, adverb of degree shows how much or how far, okay, which answers the question how much or how far. Clear? So, first of all, write down the definition. An adverb of degree, an adverb of degree shows, an adverb of degree shows the degree of the action of its work, it answers the, adverb of degree answers the question, adverb of degree answers the question how much and how far. Adverb of degree answers the question how much or how far. Clear? So what is the definition of adverb of degree? An adverb of degree shows the, I write two times, shows the degree of the action of its verb. Clear? Adverb of degree answers the question how much and how far. Clear? I hurt my dog slightly. I hurt my dog slightly in the accident. So how much? This gives the answer of how much. This slightly gives the answer of how much. I hurt my dog slightly in the accident. So this slightly answers the question of how much. Clear? He writes quite clearly. He writes quite clearly. So this quite is what? How much. Clear? Next is the British treated the Indians most cruelly. The British treated the Indians most cruelly. Clear? So this most is what? This is our adverb of degree. Another example, write down. One more example. Rita runs very quickly. Rita runs very quickly. Clear? Now everyone see and listen carefully again. What is an adverb of degree? An adverb of degree shows the degree of the action of its verb. डिग्री शो करता है ओके वर्ब की कि वर्ब ने किस टाइप से एक्शन किया है. Adverb of degree answers the question how much and how far. This gives two answers. This gives two answers, how much and how far. Clear? दो आंसर ये देता है. First is how much and another one is how far. Now see the example. I hurt my dog slightly in the accident. So what is this? This slightly shows the how much. This gives the answer of how much. How much I hurt? I hurt slightly. Clear? So we get the answer of how much by this example. So this is our adverb of degree. Next is he write quite clearly. How he writes? He write quite clearly. Okay, quite clearly means this also gives the answer of how much. Okay, how much, how she write? She write quite clearly. Next, the British treated the Indians most cruelly. How far, how much? Okay, so these are the adverbs of degree. This gives the answer of how much and how far. Clear? Rita runs very quickly. Rita runs very quickly. So how far she runs? She runs very quickly. So this slightly, quite, most and very. These are the words, these are the adverbs of degree. These shows the adverbs of degree. So I think all that last one, three adverbs you all understand, and this adverb of degree also you all understand. Easy. This gives the answer of how much and how far. Clear? How much and how far. Write these examples in proper way, and through this example you try to fill your book exercise also. Clear? Now next. Fifth one is fifth is our adverb of frequency or number. We can say adverb of frequency or number. Clear? Now, what is the definition? An adverb of frequency. An adverb of frequency. An adverb of frequency shows how many time action, an action, how many times an action taken place, an action taken place. How many times an action takes place, sorry, not take. How many times an action takes place means this shows the frequency of a number. This shows the frequency कि कितनी बार action किया गया है. This shows the how many times an action takes place. This shows the time. Clear? Action adverb of frequency shows the how many times an action taken place. Adverb of frequency, an adverb of frequency answers the question how often. How often. Clear? It gives the answers how often. Now write down the example. She is never late for school. So what is this? Never is what? Never is our adverb of frequency. This shows the how often an action takes place. So what is the answer? She is never late for school. Tina watches movies occasionally. Tina watches movie occasionally. So this occasionally is what? Occasionally is our adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. He makes careless mistakes. He makes careless mistakes often. Now see, these three examples give the answers of how many times an action taken place. Clear? Again see, an adverb of frequency shows how many times an action takes place. An adverb of frequency answers the questions how often. She is never late for school. Okay. So never is the how often, means gives the answer of how often. Tina watches movies occasionally. Okay. This is also how often, frequency. He makes careless mistakes often. This often is also what? This is also our adverb of frequency or number. Clear? So, this adverb of frequency or number is also completed. Now, next, our last one is interrogative adverbs. Sixth is what? Interrogative adverbs. And interrogative adverbs, what is this interrogative adverb? An interrogative adverb is used to ask questions. Okay, so write down the definition. An interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions. Are used to ask questions about the verb or about the verb states. About the verb states. Clear? Now, write down the interrogative examples. When do you want your dress ready? When do you want your dress ready? This is what? This is interrogative adverb of time. In this, I show you all types of adverb. Interrogative adverb of time. Because this shows about the time. This tells us about the time. This when gives the answer of time. Clear? Next is where. Next is where do you plan? Next is what? Where do you plan to go during holidays? To go during holidays. This gives the answer of interrogative adverb of place. This gives the answer of interrogative place. Where gives the answer of interrogative place. Clear? Next is interrogative adverb of place. Now next is, how did you solve the sum? How did you solve the sum? So this shows the interrogative adverb of manner. Interrogative adverb of manner. This how gives the answer of interrogative adverb of manner. Clear? Next, why are you so upset? Why are you so upset? Okay. Put question marks also. I forget to put. Okay. Why are you so upset? This gives the answer interrogative adverb of reason. Interrogative adverb of reason. This adverb of reason also we discuss. Okay. This is not included in kinds, but this we discuss separately. Okay. Interrogative adverb means adverbs of reason. Clear? Now, why gives the answer of reason. Clear? So these all are the interrogative adverbs. When, where, how, why, these all are the interrogative adverbs. Next is, how long is the tunnel? How long is the tunnel? How long is the tunnel? This gives the answer of interrogative adverb of frequency or quantity. Interrogative adverbs of frequency and quantity. Clear? So this how shows the interrogative adverb of frequency and quantity. Clear? So these are the all these: when, where, how, why and how. How did. Clear? So these are the adverbs of interrogative adverbs. These all are the parts of interrogative adverbs. Clear? Which answers the question why, when, where, how long, this how and how long and why. So these, in this we included all types of adverbs. Clear? So our interrogative adverb is completed. Now our all 6 parts completed, but we discuss one more, that is adverb of reason. Now another one is make this type of star and write down one more adverb of reason. That is also very important, and that I forget to tell you before. Okay. So write down adverb of reason. Adverb of reason tell us why an action takes place. Why an action takes place. Adverb of reason बताता है. Okay. Adverb of reason gives the answer of answers the question of adverb of reason answers the question of why. Answers the question of why. Which answers this give? Adverb of reason gives the answer of y. Okay, answer of y. Now write down example. Example of adverb of reason. Rosie did not come for the exam because she was sick. So this because come here. This shows the adverb of reason. This shows the why Rosie not come in exam, because she was sick. So this gives the answer of why. Clear? Next is I will not. You all write down this 7 adverb. Adverb of reason. This write down kind of 7 means part number 7. Okay. I will not stay long as I have work to do. As I have work to do. So as is what? As gives the answer of why. As is the reason of adverb of reason. As is the adverb of reason. Clear? Now, here our kinds of adverbs completed today. Now, in next class, we will discuss our position of adverbs or a comparison of adverbs. Means degrees of adverbs. Now, you all try to fill exercise of adverbs. Our adverbs, kinds and definition and meaning is completed. So you all try to do fill exercise. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day. Our class is over today. Thank you.